Hello, hello. Ha! Here I am again. You thought that I had forgot? No, I didn't forget. The thing is that I also didn't have time. So I'm improvising this video because I know the YouTube analytics and I don't want to leave you without any videos on Tuesday. So today I'm going to open and assemble this Recurve. Okay, I'm going a little easy because I didn't open anything, so I don't know how everything is packed. Alright, so I don't need to worry. Okay, this is the tripod to support the ball. The heck? I'm not finding the angle that this should be screwed because it doesn't have any angle. Oh boy. Yeah, if it doesn't have any angle, it's difficult to find some, right? I don't even know what this is for, and because this is a shingling product, no manual. Okay, so tripod to hold. I need a glass to read. If I try to, oh, it's not open yet. For real? Yep. I have a knife here. Okay. Right. Okay. I think that we have more tape here and here. Guys, I need to say something. Just hope that my doctor doesn't watch this video. My nutritionist. Oh, she doesn't like archery anyways. I needed ice cream. I was craving for ice cream today. Holy moly zito. These are balancers. Oh. Okay, glasses again. Yeah, it's here. So why don't you want to get in? Wow. All same size. Weird. This one doesn't fit. Different diameters. Beginner's mistake. Nah, it's normal. Now I know. Here. See? Okay. I think that I'm doing something wrong. And as you can see, no instructions at all. Again, I'm gonna do something that is a little smarter. and grab all of you and all these pieces here, then here, and then grab the ball. So the ball comes with bow holder, arrow holder, but I have one much better. It comes with I need to say something. I'm a beginner. I have no clue how the parts are called. So keep this in mind. For the professional archers, keep this in mind. Forgive me. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's wood. Wow. Guys, really beautiful. I know what you were saying. Beautiful doesn't mean that it's good, but it's beautiful. So, and since I'm a beginner that doesn't even know the name of the parts, if it's beautiful, it's good. I know that is not true, but oh, we have two. Okay, so I assume that I know nothing, because now we have arrows. Okay, this, I don't assume anything. Okay, do I have any indication of anything here? Solida Archery, 70 inches, 30 pounds, lower limb. See, now I know that this is called limb. Meu Deus do céu. Ok. I want to know if I'm going to be capable of assembling the string. If this one is lower, of course, minch. This one is the upper. We don't have any indication here, but it's kind of obvious since we have only two, right? Very well. I'm starting to get a little concerned. But, okay, I need that small part there. Okay, this is the sight. This is the, don't know. The leather tubes. Yeah. It's because compound it doesn't need, but this one needs. This is the string. This is the thing that you use to put the string there. And these are no glue. I don't think that you guys can see, but Probably tips for the arrows. I know that this is for the site, but I know that you guys are very anxious in find out if I know how to. Okay, to attach the string, right? But I'm not going to do that. Not now. Because I know that it's serious and I don't want to damage the string. I think that this comes here, then this. I'm not gonna attach the string, let me just say, because I needed to ask somebody to teach me correctly, because probably you'll say, oh, this is not, I was forgetting, this is not an instructional video. Heck no. Okay, this is only to do the pre-assemble. Why do I think that I'm missing something? Ooh, see? Ooh. No, don't break the lights. Wow, compared to my compound, this is very light. Really light. My compound is heavy as heck. Did I assemble this correctly? I think so, right? The curve has to be front, because then when we put the string there, but some people said that we have to get the bow, and how did they say? Put the bow, step back, step forward, and then you just something like that. But since it's brand new, I'm the first guy opening the boxes. I don't want to break, right? So I don't know how to assemble the sight on this one, because it's a little more complicated than I thought. I just wanted to show to you guys my God, this is big. I'm gonna put on the ground, right? I'm 1 meter and 77 centimeters. For Americans, 5'9", but I know that 5'9" can be 175 to 177. But in metric, 175 is one thing, 176 is another, 177 is another. I'm 177. This is almost my height. Nice. Nice. That's it. As I learn how to assemble the sight and string it correctly, I get back to you. And probably on that video I already be shooting, because I'm gonna take this to the park and start practicing a little bit. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna put in the description all the items, because this is sold apart. This with that box there is one stuff. The tripod is another one, and I needed to find out how this how can I use this tripod, because it is the smallest heck. What, do I put this here? No, no, it can't be. It can't be. It can't. So you guys see how smart I am. But I'll put everything in the description. The tripod, the balancers, and then the bow itself, that is bow, limbs, arrows, string, sight. Okay? I hope you enjoy. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Click the like to help spreading this video to everybody. And mostly important, be back to watch more videos and give your opinion. I'm a beginner, I'm learning, so every help that I have from everybody, I accept. If it's good, I keep. If it's not good, I forget. Okay? Have a wonderful day, and I see you in the next video. Bye!